Make a great choice today with
The 2012 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: chrome wheels, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, remote engine start, power lift gate, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, mini spare tire, privacy glass. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.